fabulous chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious BitterGourd salad. This is a very healthy recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. I've taken about 3 large BitterGourd, which is well cleaned and thinly sliced. It has to be dry without water. We need some fresh coriander leaves, about 1 handful. 1 large onion, which is finely chopped. 1 tomato, that is finely chopped. 1 large green chili, which is also finely chopped. 1 lime. Some chili powder. Now first, let's marinate the BitterGourd with some chili powder and salt. I've taken about half a teaspoon of chili powder and salt according to your taste. Now let's mix it together. See that there's no water. Let it be dry. We also need some freshly grated coconut, about half a coconut. Now heat oil in a pan. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add the BitterGourd which we marinated earlier. Now let it fry in the hot oil till it's nice and crispy. It should reach a nice golden brown color. Now you can see that our BitterGourd is nice and golden brown. It's nice and crispy and has reached a nice chips texture. Drain the oil well and keep it aside. Similarly, repeat the same process for all the BitterGourd and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the salad. In a pan, let's add some chopped onions, the chopped tomatoes, 1 green chili which is finely chopped, add sufficient salt and also about 1 lime juice. And mix all the ingredients together. Check the seasoning. Now let's add about 1 handful of coriander leaves, which is finely chopped. Finally, add the crispy BitterGourd, which we fried earlier, and give it a slight mix, and also sprinkle some grated coconut on top. Check the seasoning and serve immediately. Always serve this recipe immediately after mixing so that it does not become soggy. This is absolutely delicious. Do try this recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.